In front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info. It has to be from Flair to developer. When your app is ready, open it. And then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!